All right, I want to give you my review of Follower Cash. If you haven't heard of it, it's pretty sweet. So, first of all, it's a way to finally make money with your followers. Now, you don't have to have, 10,000 or more followers. Okay? So whatever you have. If you have a few hundred, a few thousand, doesn't really matter. You can earn at least $7 per sign up. So, this is really simple. This is the money you can make. There's no website, no software, nothing. It's super simple. First, you buy it, then you get your affiliate link, which can happen right away. Then you set up the redirect link, that only takes a few seconds, and then you share your link with your followers, and that is it. There's a video that shows you how to do it. I'm going to show you that in a minute. And then you get a guide that gives you tips on how to earn even more. So you get the guide, the quick start video, this affiliate program, and what this means is that the way this is set up is through a place called Warrior Plus. That's a very reputable company. So it's like a third-party company managing this, which means that it's not this place. It's not Follower Cash trying to scam you. It's run through another company, so it keeps everything honest and working the way it should. So you will get paid. So don't worry about that. You get the link redirect tool. All right, that's what helps you create the link. I'll show you that in a minute. You get some sharing tools and a lot of bonuses. You can do a lot with. $7 or more. It's more actually. You're going to get money to do a lot of cool stuff. You get this influencer book, which is really packed full of knowledge. There's this advanced training where you can set up a website like this. You don't have to do it, but if you're into internet marketing or want to learn more about it so that you can create a list of followers, an email list, and make more money from them, that's super easy to set up. A few steps, but you can do it. So all this is worth over $212, and you're only going to pay $12. So you pay $12 once. Remember, it's $12 once, and then $7+ for every follower you sign up. So if you just get 2, you won't. It's not. You're likely to get a lot more than 2, but if you just get 2, you're already making money because that's over $14. So you're already making money. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. All right, give it a try. If it's not for you, you get your money back. So there's no risk. You can sign up right now. There's a bunch of these questions that you can go to the page and see. But here's the dashboard. So you'll get access to this when you log in. This is the training. It's only like 4 or 5 minutes. Let me see here. Yeah, 358. So it's not very long at all. Here's the downloads you get. This one isn't even mentioned, so it's like an extra bonus that you get. This is where you'll sign up and get your link. You'll paste it in, you put your email in, and then you get your follower.cash link right there to start sending people. To give you these banners and images to use on your account, some headlines to use. There's this advanced training with that website you can make, and then there's some bonuses. So that's all I'll say. I'll let you get over there. It's getfollowercash.com, and go check it out yourself.